Guys, this quality is insane. I don't think I've ever been more excited for a package, so let's unbox together. Okay guys, I have it all set up. My room is a mess from unboxing everything, but I've just been messing around with it, and I think my favorite part so far is just like this flip up screen, and I can also turn it the other way. I can see what I'm filming and everything. I seriously love it so much, and I cannot wait to make some YouTube videos.